Thank you for the light when the world felt dim. You taught me how to rise when I couldn't swim. The sky was heavy, dark and low. My feet stuck deep in sinking snow. I reached for something I couldn't see. A spark, a flame, a piece of me. Thank you for